To change the default PDF viewer on your OPPO A80 5G, first of all, you will have to go into the Google Play Store and go to the search and input the PDF phrase. And now you will have to select one of the applications that you can use to actually open this PDF files. Let's say that I'm going to open this PDF reader. So you will have to click to open it. Of course, previously you have to install it, then open. And now close ads, select your language and accept these notifications. So select your language, click on the right upper corner. Now scroll to the left side and click to start. Now as you can see, we have to grant permission, so click continue and tap on this switcher to allow access to manage all files. Now click consent and now set this application as default reader for PDF. So click OK again, and right here select all PDF reader, this one. Now just wait, and as you can see right now, when you are going to open this application, or for example by going into the Google files, it will be opened in this PDF reader application. This is actually the extension into the browser, but once you actually open it right here, it will be available all the time in this application. That's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.